Welcome back. Today we are opening up the freezer, pantry, and garden to whip up some quick, easy, budget-friendly meals, like pairing these freezer pizzas with a fresh garden salad, or using up store-bought fruit before it goes bad, and even mixing frozen barbecue from the freezer with tater tots for an unconventional bowl meal. Be sure to stay until the end as we show a treat we incorporated into our week, as well as how some of the critters are doing. Supper tonight, it's going to be quick and easy. Have some French bread, lean cuisine, pepperoni pizza. Going to have nice salad from the garden. We have a spring onion left, a couple radishes, a bunch of baby greens, and some strawberries that we need to eat up. So, I'm following instructions to tear apart this box in a particular way and put the pizza on the silver flap here inside the microwave. And I'm deciding I think I want to do it in the oven, which won't make it as quick, but you know how sometimes you microwave bread and it gets all hard and weird? Well, that's my concern. So, if it doesn't work out, then I waste the whole thing, but the oven should work fine. So yeah, I think we're leaning towards oven baking the pizza. Well, here's our first course and dessert. Pizza is still baking. And there's Pappy's. I have to say I love this idea of having fresh salad every day. Just go out, pick it, more grows, pick it some more. And then my lettuces are starting, so pretty soon we'll have some plain regular lettuce too. And there's the pizza. Looks like it's done about a minute before the timer went off. And Pappy's. Supper today's pretty easy. We're using our first of the ground beef meal prep. A little bit of hamburger barbecue. Gonna make some hamburger barbecue tater tot bowls. We're gonna have some corn with it. And our salads that I made. It was easy just to heat the barbecue up in the pan. Come back here, barbecue. Steaming hot. And we did the tots in the air fryer. I was gonna say slow cooker. Yeah, okay, birdie. And we have our corn. It's been microwaved. Just have to assemble the bowls. And here's our barbecue top bowl. If you don't have buns on hand or you just want something different, you can do it over French fries, dip potato chips, anything like that. And Pappy's. The day's getting away from me here. I'm doing supper and not filming anything for some reason. The air fryer's calling. Already air fried some chicken pieces. Now we have some tots in there too, and another garden salad. And here's supper. Quick. Pappy enjoyed the tots so much last night that he wanted more tonight, so there it is. Supper tonight is going to be the tacos we got on the deal, our last grocery haul, except I'm going to use taco meat that I already had in the freezer, and the rest of the things we got at the store. This is going to be the quickest dinner. Have to heat up the taco meat and the shells in the oven. And I'd forgotten and put the cheese in the freezer, but that's okay. I'll just melt it on top of the meat when it's done. And then top it with the toppings. And just like that, it's done. Got our shells toasty. Cheese is melted, our taco meat is warm, and we have some toppings. Yeah, I'm having 3 tacos, the normal taco way. And Pappy, whoops, Pappy, he's making a taco salad. Supper tonight, New York strip steak that was thick, cut in half and marinated in some brown sugar bourbon McCormick seasoning. It has some green bean casserole. Make a little packet for some seasoned potatoes on the grill and onions. I'm also gonna wash up the cherries we got. Just cutting them small. Time's getting away from us here again. Fitting this new garden deal into our lives, I swear. So I'm just making them real tiny so that they cook up quick on the grill. Slicing them, cutting them in 4s, and then dicing them up. I use some of this caramelized onion butter on there. They're all ready to be packaged up and thrown on the grill. Onion I just quartered, doused with a little olive oil, with the seasonings, some no salt and some garlic salt, other things in it, onions and garlic, parsley. I'm just gonna break them apart and get those on the grill, and they're just in a little foil pan. This is how Pappy likes to do them. Ooh! The steaks are on the grill, the onions are getting done, and the taters are in the foil. Here's our easy supper on the grill mostly. It's our marinated steak, onions cooked on the grill with olive oil and seasonings, potatoes cooked on the grill with buttery onion, I think it was, Kinder's, and some microwaved green bean casserole. And Pappy's. He's just sort of piled his potatoes on there. Supper tonight is leftovers from the tacos. And this is how I did it. And then Pappy's.